This 2021 Keystone Alpine 3220RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front bath, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Alpine 3220RL is 12,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.